it's 4 o'clock in the evening on Sunday, but we're gonna go to like some shops and then we're going out to eat. So I'll try to vlog that. But yeah. So it's the next day. We're going out to dinner again because it's my cousin's birthday. But yeah, when I got home last night, I was tired, so I just went to bed. But yeah, there's Mimi. There's Miney. We're about to leave. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog or not because, like I said, it's for my cousin's birthday. So, but yeah, Miney. I'll show you all her setup today. Come here. She has a traffic light on, her black and blue Wi-Fi. This pink patch that I just realized is backwards. And then some Amazon patches. And then a cape that we made. And obviously her pink boots. Miney, you good girl. Okay, I fixed the patch. So yeah, that's what she's wearing. Good girl. It's like 2 days since we went up to that restaurant and stuff. We got home late and I just went to sleep, and then I've been doing schoolwork and stuff. So yeah, but that's about the end of this vlog because I'm not doing anything else this week that I know of. But yeah.